Welcome back, my dear student. So, one of the features that I really want to add to my application right now is Flash messaging. I want to be able to say, okay, when I edit this and I submit it, I want to see a message, or we want to give the user a message saying, hey, listen, your post was just updated, or this specific post was updated. That's a pretty cool little feature to have, right? So we're gonna have to do some type of work for that. It's just gonna take a couple lectures, okay? So one of the things that I do sometimes when I want to do things and I don't know what I want to do, I have an idea what I want to do, but I don't know what to use. I go to the I go to my best friend here, Google, and I go to npmjs.org. Actually, this is just gonna take me straight to a package. Okay, and it's not working. My internet is super slow right now, guys, super slow. Let's do .org here. Let's see if I can get it to work. All right, I got it. There we go. I got it to work. And I go here and I say session, and I start looking to see what can I use. And I select it and I check to see who made it, the how many downloads he has, things like that. Downloads last month. Okay. So what about Express Session? Does this one have a lot? Well, look at that, 38,000 downloads. Okay. So a lot of people are using this one. So I will use something like this and I look it up and I say, okay, this is how I use this is the API. So I require it. What else do I need? Let me see. Okay, and I need to use this to make it work. Okay. And I keep looking sometimes. When I find something really famous like that, I use it. Okay. There's another one. There's one that I like to use. But this was for sessions. I want to use Flash, and we need, of course, sessions install, right? So I look at Flash, and I come here and I say, okay, hmm, it says you have a session before you have a Flash, then you go ahead and create your Flash messaging. Super simple to use, guys. Super simple. Okay. So for Flash messaging, we need to have sessions, right? Okay. Let's go. This is how I do it, guys. I know there's one called Connect Flash. I think this one is pretty cool. Connect Flash. Right here. I think this is the guy. Yep, look at this one. 6,000 downloads. This is why it's very popular in the community. So let's go ahead and download that, but we also need to download sessions. Okay, so let's go. Let's download the most popular ones and let's start playing around with it. So let's go here, Control C to disconnect the server, and let's download npm install. I'm gonna install the Express session, which you saw had a whole bunch of downloads. And then what was the other one? Connect Flash. Sometimes you will, if you misspelled the word, you would download a totally different package, okay? And then you will be wondering why in the word this is not working. It's because probably you're using an uppercase C or uppercase word somewhere in your letter in the name of the package, and you downloaded a totally different package, just like Faker. There is a uppercase Faker available, okay, and there's a lowercase. Let me see if it's here. It's making me look really bad right now, but I know there is an uppercase Faker, guys, because that happened to me before. Okay, this is a lowercase, but it's an uppercase Faker somewhere. Okay, so you'll be there stuck for days trying to figure it out, and instead you downloaded the wrong package. Okay, so we downloaded our session here, there, and our Flash, and now we need to make it work. Okay, so I'm going to say first we get the session. So let's require this, and this one is called Express Session. This one is the Flash, and it's called Connect Flash. Okay, now we need to get it installed in our using middlewares. Okay, so let's actually do it before we do a whole bunch of other things down there. Okay, sometimes what I do in some of the applications is I try to keep what's related close. Okay, most of my applications, that's how I do it. I know this upload is related to parsing data, so I keep it close. These routes are related to this, I keep it close. And in some application, what I have done is I have all my middlewares in one place. Okay, what I want to do with sessions are very close to the routes right here. So before the routes, I want to load the sessions. Okay, so app use, and we need to, I know for a fact that we need to pass a parameter to this session inside, and we need to do a couple things there. Let's go and look at the documentation real quick. I want to show you first. It's Express Session, the package. There we go. Doug Wilson. And this is what we need to do it like this. Okay. So keep that in mind. So the key, we need a secret key. It can be whatever you want. I'm just gonna put my name, Edwin Diaz 123. I love coding. Something like that. And I know it needs to have a resave. We're gonna say true. And it needs to have a save on initialized to true, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, we'll find out soon enough. And then after that, I'm just gonna do the middleware for the Flash. Okay, Flash. That's it. Remember that we are requiring that on top here. Okay, so now our session should be working. We just need to test it. So in the next lecture, we're gonna test this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.